Hey, you feeling okay?
Yeah, it was just a dream. It was just a dream. There was a car coming towards me in the parking lot. I was in the parking lot and a car started chasing me and
Okay, I'm here for you, all right? And it's just a dream.
I love you.
I love you too.
I said, wait a minute, Brian, what's wrong with you?
Who's Max?
He's just a classmate. We're doing a school project together. Why were you on my phone, and how did you get my password?
Why is he sending you emojis?
I don't know. Why were you on my phone?
Why? Are you cheating on me?
Of course not.
You're cheating on me. Cheating.
Do you think you can forgive me? I love you so much. And I want to make you the most wonderful dinner tonight, okay?
It's so delicious.
Erin, did you smoke today?
What?
You smell like you smoke.
I didn't.
You know you're not supposed to be smoking.
Brian, please listen to me. I'm going someplace. Get off of me!
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah. I just dreamed. Hey! What are you doing here? Come on, you have to go
Excuse
home
me,
right
who
now.
are you?
I'm his guardian.
His guardian? There's no way you're his guardian. You look way too young.
Believe it or not, we have to go.
I won't let you take him.
Dad, please don't go.
Like, we have to let Dad go.
Dad, don't